my breakfast today. It's really lunch because it's about noon. I have 2 slices of Smithfield bacon for 4 points, 2 large scrambled eggs for 0 points. I just topped it with some scallions, a tomato, and applesauce unsweetened. So that's all 0 points. So on this plate, all I have is 4 points for the bacon, and then I'm on my second cup of coffee, 2 points for my coffee. So a total of 6 points for my breakfast today. Hello everybody, happy July 3rd. This is Wednesday. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm heading over to Great Clips to get my hair trimmed up. As some of you have noticed, I'm letting my hair get longer, and I'm still doing that. I just need to get it trimmed up. And these bangs here, I like the bangs, but they're a little bit too long for my taste. So I'm just gonna get the dead ends trimmed off and continue with the growing out process. About a year ago, a little more than a year ago, I got a really bad haircut and a bad dye job. So some of you may have seen my videos. My hair was a lot darker because I thought I had wanted to tone it down a little bit. It turned out going very dark brown, which I didn't like because I have been blonde or gray my entire life. I mean, my natural hair color is like a light brunette, or it used to be. Right now my natural hair color is totally gray, and I don't want to do that anymore. So I went back to blonde, and I'm letting it grow out a little bit because I like short hair, but I thought it made me look older. So this is almost long enough now where I can put it in a small ponytail in the back if I want to, but I need to get it trimmed up. So anyway, that's my plate today. And then I'm heading over to do a mystery shop, and I'm going to come home and fix my dinner and meet my sister. We're going to the fireworks over at Fort Meigs tonight. So to get to the fireworks, I have to walk past the cemetery where my parents are buried on one side. My parents and one of my brothers is buried on one side. My husband and son are buried on the other side. So this will be an interesting walk tonight, but at least I'm walking, right? So I've had breakfast so far today, but I didn't eat breakfast till like noon. I have been awake since about 8 o'clock, and as you know, it takes me a while to get going in the morning. I just kind of sit and enjoy my first cup of coffee before I do anything else. And I was catching up on some YouTube videos today, and looked at my clock and thought, geez, it's almost noon. I guess I better eat. So I had a 6-point breakfast, and I mean, I'm not hungry now, but I only ate an hour and a half ago. So when I eat breakfast this late, it's hard for me to get lunch in. And I probably, if I eat anything for lunch, it'll be like one of those tuna pouches. It's just a real quick snack. And that'll be enough. I'm having chicken breast for supper. So, and I'm going to fix a salad with that. And then I'm going to the fireworks. So, and I haven't been to the fireworks in a long, long time. I can't even remember the last time I went. They have them over at the Fort every year. Well, last year I was gone. So, and the last few years Joe was too sick to go, so I didn't go. I stayed with him. So I'm kind of excited about going. Nieces and nephews and grandnieces and nephews are going too. So, and then tomorrow on the 4th, I don't have any plans. I do want to tell you I have made some decisions about living space, though, and I will tell you about that later. But I did some long, hard thinking last night, so I did come to a decision. So stay tuned for that. I already checked in online at Great Clips, so hopefully they can get me right in. Clouding up. They're calling for rain tonight, so I'm hoping we actually have fireworks. not quite as hot today as what it was yesterday, but it's still almost 90. So, matter of fact, I had a t-shirt on and I changed it to this tank top because I was too hot even with the air in the apartment. So I walked Molly this morning, and that's usually the first thing I do when I get up. I get up, I weigh myself, and I walk her. And you know, I told you yesterday I had 23 points exactly, and I did. I was down 1/10 of a pound this morning. I thought maybe it would be more, but that's what happens when I eat 23 points. For some reason, my body cannot handle 23 points and lose weight. So if I stay around 17 or 18 points a day, I lose consistently. But it's those way down the closer I am to 23 points. So, and I know not everybody is like that. That's just the way my metabolism works, in spite of me walking every day. So now granted, this last week I have not been walking as much as what I was when I was traveling, because believe it or not, you know, I was getting in 14 or 15,000 steps a day, being at the campgrounds and stuff. I haven't done that since I've been here, and I walk the dog 3 times a day. So, I mean, I'm getting a little bit of exercise. I thought about going to the gym, and I think I'm going to start doing that, but I'm going to wait until after my weigh-in day tomorrow. Because I know sometimes when you first start working out, your muscles can start retaining water a little bit. I don't want that today for my weigh-in tomorrow. So, anyway. All right, well, I'm almost here to Great Clips, so I will be back later. I'll show you everything I've eaten today and everything I will eat today. And don't worry, it's not that riveting. So, anyway, I'll talk to you soon. Okay, so I guess today, this is just kind of like a hang with me day. I just been running errands. Like I said, I got my hair cut, I did my mystery shop, and I stopped over. I made an appointment for a little bit later today to get my eyes checked because these glasses aren't doing it for me anymore. So right now I'm on my way back to the apartment to take the dog out, and my appointment to get my eyes checked is in just a little bit over an hour. So I'm going to go do that and then just go to the fireworks from there. So I need to change my shoes. I need to put some walking shoes on because right now I just have sandals on. So I went fueled up my car. So I've just been running around today. And just kind of I'm actually on my way home because I need to eat lunch. And I decided I'm going to go ahead and cook my chicken breast and have a bigger lunch. And maybe pop a bag of popcorn to take to the fireworks with me. But I need to eat something because while I was in making the appointment to get my eyes checked, I'm thinking, and this is odd, I'm thinking, you know, I really want a candy bar. And, you know, I don't normally crave chocolate. I don't know why I've been craving chocolate the last couple days. Because, you know, I'm not normally like that. I don't normally crave that type of thing. But I'm thinking I'm going to go home and have a piece of my cheesecake because I think there might be 1 or 2 pieces left. And that'll satisfy my sweet craving, I think, maybe. If I don't, then I'll be tempted to, you know, go get ice cream or something, and I don't want that. So I'd rather take the 1-point hit on that cheesecake than, you know, a 17-point hit on an ice cream cone. So, and then I'll have my chicken and a salad before I head back over here. I'll have about 45 minutes to do all that. And I need to drink a little bit more water because I haven't been drinking a lot of water today, basically because I've been out, you know, and if I'm out on the road, I don't like to drink a lot of water because I do have the accidents. I do have some water in this cup that I've been sipping on. It's 88 degrees. I don't anticipate it getting much cooler even tonight during the fireworks, although it's clouding up, so I'm getting a little concerned. And these are the big fluffy rain clouds that are kind of encircling the camp. So we might get rained on tonight at the fireworks. That'll that'll be interesting. But I remember one 4th of July when I was in high school. I was in the band, and we did a parade somewhere. And we got back from the parade, and my boyfriend and I had just gotten to my house, and a big old tornado came through. So that was exciting. This is the time of year that we tend to get them. But it's been so hot consistently. I don't think that's a worry right now. We're under a heat advisory and a storm threat. That's all. So anyway, that's going to be my day today. Like I said, I haven't really accomplished a whole lot other than I'm running around. I guess I am accomplishing things. These glasses, I really noticed when I was driving back from South Carolina that I just can't see well out of these glasses anymore. I never was able to, and I had to leave town, so I didn't go and get them double checked. I got these at Costco, and I just don't think they're right prescription. So they're bifocals, and I've never been able to see out of these bifocals, never. So I think I'm going to opt out of the bifocals and just get a pair of reading glasses and a pair of driving glasses, because that's what I seem to need. So these are, I think there's a name for these. Are the progressive lenses? There aren't any lines in here for the bifocals. But when I look down, I can't see. Like when I'm looking at my phone, if a message pops up, I can see far, but from this distance to my phone, I can't see well. So something's wrong. And like I said, I just think they gave me the wrong prescription. So, and I'm going to this America's Best eyeglasses. It's where my sister gets her glasses. And you get 2 pairs of glasses. And I don't know if they have to be the same prescription or not, but plus the eye exam for $70. So, but it's one of those things I've been putting off and putting off. And also, I think because I spend so much time on the computer, it's difficult sometimes. I mean, my eyesight's going bad because I spend so much time on the computer screen or my phone. But it's time. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the dog out, do my lunch/dinner and dessert, and then head back over that way. And then we'll go celebrate America. And I hope the rain holds off. The sun's been out all day long. Yesterday the same thing happened though, and it was just a little bit later than this in the day when the heavens broke loose, so to speak, and it rained pretty hard, but then the sun came back out. So the traffic is going to be nuts tonight. I'm not driving. I'm driving over to my sister's, and she's driving from there. And then we park a little ways away from the fort, so we'll have to walk and carry our chairs there, but I have a light chair, so it doesn't matter to me. More calories burned, right? So, I don't know if I told you or not, I weighed 210.4 today when I weighed in. Yesterday I was 210.5. Tomorrow is my official weigh-in day. I am really hoping that I'm at least 209.9 tomorrow. I really want to be in that next decade of numbers. So, I mean, Wonderland is so close, I can taste it. I haven't been under 200, and I can't remember when. I mean, I'm thinking it was way back when I got married 30 years ago. And then I had started to put on weight there. I think I weighed 185 on my wedding day. So I would love to be back down there, but you know, my goal is 130, which is, believe it or not, for my height, is on the top end of what they say I should weigh. But you know what? I figure my body's going to tell me when it's time to stop. So I thought it's told me to stop many times. But anyway, I'm really hoping tomorrow for that next decade of numbers. And if I don't hit it tomorrow, I know by next week I will, but tomorrow just would be really, really sweet. So, and then Friday I'm moving over to my sister's for a week, and I'll be taking my scale with me. So, I know, Sandy, you mentioned you were going on vacation and you're taking your scale. I did. When I was traveling, I took my scale and I weighed myself faithfully every day. So, and it was not a big deal. All right, well, I'm back at the apartment, so I'm going to go get the dog and get her out to go potty. And I'll probably go myself, and then I will eat my lunch. So I'll try to show you some of our fireworks tonight. So. All right, I'm having dessert before dinner. This is one piece of my homemade sugar-free cheesecake, which is 1 point. And I have 1 teaspoon of sugar-free jam that I made on top of that. And that is 0 points, so my dessert is 1 point. Okay, my lunch/dinner. I have 4 ounces of chicken breast. That's 0 points. I have it topped with some peach mango salsa. This particular brand is 2 points for 4 tablespoons. So 2 points on there. And then I have 3 slices of dill pickles, and that's 0 points. So really my dinner/lunch is 2 points.